Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
This is a Amazon package. Let's cut it. Inside the speaker itself and the invoice and nothing else. Let's keep it aside. This is a Tribit box. There is a features like IPX, waterproof, etc. and instructions. Let's cut the seal. On the top, the speaker itself, and inside USB charging cable and instruction manual and nothing else. Here is a box content. Now let's move to the speaker. Here is the buttons, and at the back the USB port and aux cable. Aux port. Let's turn on. Now it's on. Now it's ready for pair. Let's pair it. Pair in the smartphone. Now it's successfully paired. Volume up and volume down. I will show you later the functions. Now please wear the headphone for best results. So here are the functions like pause, play, 2 taps for next sound, triple tap for previous sound. Now volume down and volume up. Okay, so that's it. I will let this speaker for contact upper side. Okay. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel as I included. The purchase link in the description. Okay. Bye.